is a video of a burping contest with Littlest Pet Shop included. Music of burping, and I hope you enjoy. But this video can only be watched from ages older than 3 years. Hope you enjoy. Playing. iPod back on. Taking a video with the iPod. Oh, hi. Hi. Oh, I was wondering, do you want to do a burping contest with me? Yeah, sure. Me first. Okay. That was mine. What's yours? Oh.
Alright, we gotta go.
I'm looking for another. Okay, this is my good song.
Abby, come give me a kiss. Abby was kind of good at
Turn this down. I love you too. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. My turn. Bye. Goodness, my sister is leaving.
When I throw it at you, try to catch it. Okay. Oh my God, look at it. Throw it to me. Not like that. Like this. Like it's my way. Throw it. Yeah. No, I'll stay right there. Who do you think that was?
I need to go get me
So I go
a can of soda. Wait.
Why do you have to stay alive? Be easy as you. You're pushing so hard like that.
That's it. Okay. My turn again. This one more time for.
Look at you. Look at. Throw it like that. You're the right team. You're right. Right? I'm gonna be the right team. I can't see the door.
That was all. Let's see the winner!
So I can see you.
Bye.
Bye. Good. Just be right there. I want to be the right team. I'm going to be late team too.
Hope you heard the music. And right now we're going to check out the winner. So let's see.
But you have to be far away.
No, I don't want to stop.
You have to be far away. Let's just play.
The one that had the stinkiest burps was
Yes, because there's some dark, huh?
this one! You're supposed to knock out after that.
Oh, team.
So this was the stinkiest fairy of all in the burping contest. Hope you heard the musical of the burping
Is that a bird?
because
Where did it leave?
yeah, it was on my iPod that I turned on in the beginning of the video. Not like in the very beginning of the video, but hope you heard it and goodbye.